It's now time for Honk the car, Toot the boat, and Swoosh Swoosh the helicopter in another of their happy adventures. Last night, it rained in Springland. Good morning, baby ducks. Good morning, happy flowers. Who's this? Oh, it's Honk, the car. Honk is still very sleepy. Watch out, Honk. You don't want to get dirty. Oh, silly me, thinks Honk. Poor Honk. How will Honk get cleaned up? Maybe Swoosh Swoosh, the little helicopter, can help Honk get clean. Honk, asks Swoosh Swoosh,
Did you forget to have your bath last night?
hello, Swoosh Swoosh, says Honk. No, I drove into that silly puddle. Please, can you help me get clean? Of course! Flying pigtails. Swoosh Swoosh has made Honk more dirty. And Swoosh Swoosh is also covered in mud. I'm sorry, Honk, blinked Swoosh Swoosh. That was not a good idea, says Honk. Poor Swoosh Swoosh was only trying to help. Never mind, sighs Honk. Let's go and visit Toot the boat. Maybe Toot has a better idea. Honk has his own big idea. Mother Sheep, you have such nice wool for cleaning. Please, can you rub us clean too? Poor, sad Honk. Will Honk always be a muddy little car? Suddenly, Honk knew how to get clean. Are you ready, Honk? Calls Toot the boat. Cries Swoosh Swoosh. Honk was right. This was a very good idea. Keep steady, Honk, and sploosh! Thanks for washing me clean, Toot, shivers Honk. Thanks for the shower, Wally the Whale, calls Swoosh Swoosh. Have a happy day in Springland, everybody.